Then SAP has also given you task tutorials. If you will, and task tutorials, now this all the documentation would not be same for each scenario. You will see in some scenarios, some additional documents are there. Separate configuration document also you will see in some scenario. Some scenario you will see there is no task tutorials available. So let's check if there is any task tutorial available here. Looks like there is. So this is tutorial has been created on Enable Now. So if you want to experience creating a purchase order and you don't have a SAP system, okay, you can click on this create purchase order, and then it will take you to the screen. You can start the tutorial. It will take you to the screen. Okay, step by step, you need to click on this one first. Manage purchase order, you need to click on. Then you need to click on here, create. Its exact SAP screen is there, right? And then you need to fill these information, which is already filled here. You need to note down this information need to be filled. And then you can go into the notes and you can put your header text, item text, whatever you want to type, you can actually also type. You can click on the items, then you can create the item details. Step by step, it will take you onto the SAP screen. This is the Enable Now standard. We use Enable Now a lot, starting using into the projects to create the training documents in the project. So in the projects also, when we have built the solution, this will not work. These cannot be given to the end user because your screen would look a lot different. You would be having a lot of custom fields. So SAP gave a license to the Enable Now. Once you have license to the Enable Now, you would be able to record and you would be able to create your simulations for your end users. Okay, Enable Now is a separate product. Separate consultants are there for Enable Now who works with the functional consultant to take the requirement. And sometimes functional consultants are also trained on Enable Now, at least to do the recording part, to record a transaction. And then they create it into this interactive simulation, where basically the SAP screen has not been given to user, SAP tool has not been given to user, but this simulation would be given, and on this simulation, they would be able to do the practice. It is used a lot. The reason is that user would be able to do this without any errors or issues. Otherwise, if they are using some test system, quality system, there can be so many errors, issues. Somebody has touched the master data, somebody changed the master data mistakenly, and now the scenario is not responding, right? All these issues can be ruled out from here. So this is used a lot for the training purpose. So this is a standard process navigators has been given by SAP. When you use Enable Now, in the Enable Now, these task tutorials would be available. If you want to copy the standard content from SAP, you would be able to use it. If you want to change it, you would be able to change by copying from the standard content. Generally, when we use Enable Now, because there are so much of customizations are there in each project, we start this simulation creation from scratch. If somebody is more interested on Enable Now, you can go into, there's a training available on OpenSAP on Enable Now. It's a free training. You can just explore that. So that was a quick explanation that how Enable Now is used in the projects.